Hello everyone. In my previous video, we learned addition without carrying. Now today in this video, we are going to learn addition with carrying and addition of more than two 3-digit numbers without carrying and with carrying. So let's get started. First, we will learn addition with carrying of 3-digit numbers. Let's take one example. Add 464 and 346. First, arrange the two numbers under hundreds, tens and ones. We know that the first number of the addition is known as oggend and the other number is known as addend. Now, let's start to solve this. Step 1. Add the digits at the ones place. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. We know that 10 means 1 tens and 0 ones. So write 0 in the ones place and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Now step 2. Add the digits at the tens place. 6 plus 4 and add one more 10 which we carried over. So 6 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 11. So write 1 in the tens place and carry over 100 to the hundreds column. Then move to the step 3. Add the digits at the hundreds place. 4 plus 3 plus 1 which we carried over. So it's equal to 8. So write 8 in the hundreds place. So 810 is the sum of these two numbers. Thus we can say that 464 plus 346 is equal to 810. So students, this is how you perform additions with 3-digit numbers when you need to carry. So do practice more and more sums of this type. Now we will move to the next topic, that is addition of more than two 3-digit numbers. First, we will learn without carrying. Let's start with an example. Add 321 plus 234 plus 432. To make the calculation easier, we arrange the given numbers under hundreds, tens and ones. Now we have three columns: hundreds, tens and ones. And we have more than two numbers to add. Now let's start to solve this. Step 1. Add the ones first. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. So write 7 in the ones place. Then step 2. Add the tens. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 8. Yes. So write 8 in the tens place. And finally step 3. Add the hundreds. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. So write 9 in the hundreds place. So the answer of addition is 987. Hence, on adding these three different numbers, 321 plus 234 plus 432 is equal to 987. Now we will move to learn addition of more than two three-digit numbers with carrying. Let's take an example to understand this topic. Add 324 plus 344 plus 273. We know that to make the calculation easier, we arrange the given numbers under hundreds, tens and ones. Now let's start to solve this. Step 1. Add the digits at the ones place. 4 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 11. We know that 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones. So write 1 in the ones place and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Now step 2. Add the digits at the tens place. 2 plus 4 plus 7 and add one more 10 which we carried over. So it is equal to 14. So write 4 in the tens place and carry over 100 to the hundreds column. Now take step 3. Add the digits at the hundreds place. 3 plus 3 plus 2 and one more 100 which we carried over. So it's equal to 9. So finally write 9 in the hundreds place. So the sum of these numbers is equal to 941. Hence we can say that on adding the given numbers 324 plus 344 plus 273 is equal to 941. So students, this is how you can solve the addition of more than two three-digit numbers. I hope you enjoy this learning. The more you practice, the easier this will be. Thank you.